I'm here with Sahad from Bless at the 2024 Collision Conference at the York Region booth. Great to chat with you. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much for your time as well.
So tell us about Bless. What's Bless or Bless Financial all about?
Bless is a marketplace application for finding and booking unique experiences around the city. So the problem started when I, as an immigrant, came 5 years ago, and I could not know my neighbor's name. And that was a problem to me. And more than that, I was looking to do things around the city which are extremely unique. And that's why I was, and I was figuring out what are the things I can do around the city. And the last problem which I faced, that I've met a lot of creators in Canada who has great talents, great skills, but are unable to market themselves. I met a chef, he makes Michelin star cuisines, he makes $1,200 a month. So that really broke my heart, and I was like, he needs to do something. And that made me the mission to actually help people connect and book unique experiences from those skilled professionals.
How does Bless differ from, let's say, a social media platform like Nextdoor or something like that, that also focuses on communities?
So Bless actually focuses on the unique experiences around the city. For example, what do you like in sweets? What sweets do you like? Desserts?
Are you asking me? Oh my God, what don't I like? Yeah.
So let's say you like donut. What if I tell you there's an experience in our platform, which there is, where you can find a donut shop and you can go and book a donut experience. You can see how they make donuts. You can have an authentic experience and a session with them. So you can have a private session, or if you want, you can join a public session as well. So that's how Bless differs from any other platforms out there.
It's a great idea. And what's the revenue model for it?
So the revenue model, we're currently taking commission from hosts. Unlike our competitors, they charge very high amount of commission. We are charging very minimal, so that we know that creators are being fairly paid, and we are also happy with our business as well.
What are you looking to achieve here at Collision Conference this week?
So Collision here for us is most of them is partnering with people. They say that Collision is the Olympics of tech event, which it is. And I've met a lot of wonderful people, amazing ideas, and the energy is so different. So partnering with people and connecting with right people.
Okay, fantastic. And then finally, I understand you have a connection to York Region.
Yes. So York Region actually helped me achieve success over here. They've been helping me for more than a year, and they've been stick with me. I've been stick with them, thoroughly being consistent, and they helped me with all the mentors and amazing things. They even gave us the opportunity to showcase our product in Collision, which I'm extremely grateful about.
And I'm grateful that you've had a chance to chat with us today. Is there a website for Bless, or is there an app that you'd recommend?
Absolutely. So the app is Explore Bless. You can find it in Apple Store and also Google Play. And our website is explorebless.com.
Explore Bless, BLESS.com. Thank you so much.
And currently we're taking in hosts. So right now we're very early in the market. We're taking in hosts. So if you have any unique experiences or talents, if you want to make money or you want to earn and showcase and make a passion out of it, come to Bless.
Thank you so much for your time, Sahad.
Thank you very much, Mark.